So students, now we are going to solve the questions of 15.1. And the first question is, in a cricket match, a batswoman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls she plays. Find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. In this question, what is given? That number of balls a batswoman played, that is 30, and out of these 30 balls, she hits a boundary 6 times. And we have to find the probability that she did not hit a boundary. That means we have asked the probability of an complement event. Clear? Here we will write number of balls played. Number of balls played is equal to 30. Then number of balls on which boundary hitted is equal to 6. Now that means how many balls left on which boundaries not hitted, that is 30 minus 6, 24. So we will write number of balls on which boundary not hitted is equal to 30 minus 6 is equal to 24. Now we have asked the probability, find the probability that she not hit a boundary. So we will write here probability of not hit a boundary. भाई 24 बॉल्स पे उसने बाउंड्री हिट नहीं किया, इसका मतलब आउट ऑफ 30 24 बॉल्स में उसने हिट नहीं किया. क्लियर? तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी? इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स on which not hitted boundary upon total number of balls played. Total number of balls played. Clear? So our probability will be 24 upon 30, and after cancelling by 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, that is 4 upon 5 is the probability what we have asked. Clear students? So students, pause the video to be noted down. Students, now we are going to solve question number 2 of 15.1, and in this question 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. Total number out of 1500 families, they have chosen the families which is having 2 children, and the data were recorded as it is. Number of girls in a family with 2, that means number of families which have 2 girls is 475. Number of families which are having 1 girl, that is 814, and number of families which are having no girl, that is 211. Clear? We have to compute the probability of the family chosen at random, that is we have to find the probability of the families chosen at random which have only 2 girls, only single girl and no girls, and at last we have to check whether the probabilities we will find the sum of those are 1 or not. Clear? So first of all we have to find the probability of families which are having 2 girls. Now we denote it by PA, and A denotes families having 2 girls. So probability of families having 2 girls is equal to number of families having 2 girls upon total number of families. Clear? So here we have given 475 families which are having 2 girls, and total number of families is 1500. So 475 upon 1500 is equal to 19 upon 60. How it comes 19 upon 60? We will cancel these two numerator upon denominator by 25. Clear? Similarly, we will go for probability of families which are having single girl, one girl. So we will write in this way, probability of families having one girl is equal to the same formula we will apply, number of families having one girl upon total number of families, and it is given that 814 upon total number of families, that is 1500, and after cancelling these two terms by 2 we will get 407 upon 750. Clear? Now in the third part, number of families having no girl, that is PC, is equal to number of families having no girl upon total number of families. Again we will have 211 upon 1500, and it is not cancelling, so we will leave as it is. Now we are having three probabilities, 19 upon 60, 407 upon 750, and 211 upon 1500. Now we have to check whether the sum of these three is equal to 1 or not. Clear? Now PA plus PB plus PC we will find. 19 upon 60 plus 4057 upon 750 plus 211 upon 1500. In these you can solve by taking LCM, or we can write in place of 19 upon 60 as 475 upon 1500. In place of 407 upon 750 we will write 814 upon 1500 and 211 upon 1500 as it was, and the sum of these is equal to 1500 upon 1500, that is equal to 1. So we have checked that the sum of the probabilities of an event, it is an event, is equal to 1. Clear? So students, please note down